For both X Series brewers, you will see that both nozzles are screwed onto the end of the nozzle pipe. For these brewers, there are two different types of nozzles, the WL series or the DBL series. The X45 may have a WL or a DBL nozzle, while the X60 only comes with a WL series nozzle. The WL series does not have any removable parts. An accurate spray pattern is created with 3 swirling channels and a center hole. The center hole may be cleaned with the nozzle cleaning tool from your nozzle cleaning kit. If any of the swirling channels are clogged, the only way to clean them is to use compressed air. Force the air through the outlet hole until the obstruction clears. If this doesn't work, you may need a new nozzle. Now, let's talk about cleaning the DBL series nozzles. You may have either a DBL3 or a DBL4 nozzle, but either way, the cleaning process is essentially the same. First, you'll want to use the Allen wrench included in the cleaning kit to remove the nozzle insert. In the center of the insert, you will see a small hole. You will also see additional holes including the 3 swirling channels. First, you'll want to clean the center hole of the insert with the smallest cleaning wire included in the cleaning kit. Next, clean the center hole of the housing as well. Once cleaned, replace the insert as shown. Tighten it using the same Allen wrench. That's it. If you have any further questions, additional resources are available on brewbomb.com. If you wish to purchase additional parts and accessories, you may do so on shop.brewbomb.com. Thank you.